Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is babycorn fried rice. Let's start. Boil water with a pinch of salt. Add babycorn chopped into pieces. Just cook for 7 minutes. Once babycorn are cooked, strain the water and keep it aside. In another bowl, add 2 teaspoon cornflour, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon maida, half a teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now add boiled babycorn. Coat it well on all sides. And add 1 teaspoon of water and coat well. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry them until golden color. Look at the color. This is the right stage to remove. Take one pan, add 2 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon split coriander seeds. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add green chilies and chopped garlic. Fry until garlic turns to brown color. Now add chopped onion. Fry until onions are transparent. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 3 teaspoon tomato ketchup. Mix well and saute on medium to high flame. Add 1 teaspoon water. Add salt to taste. Mix well and add 1 teaspoon of water again. At this stage, add fried babycorn. Mix well and cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Now add cooked basmati rice. Mix everything together. Now add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Next add lemon juice. and add 1.5 teaspoon garam masala. Give it a quick mix and turn off the flame. Yummy and spicy baby corn fried rice is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling.